Taiwan quality machine and is a powerhouse in our compact shear lineup. The EPS 1014E features include a Seco digital readout, 36-inch front-operated power back gauge with a fine-tuned handle for micro adjustments, roll-out material return tray, a full-length mechanical hold-down bar with neoprene inserts to reduce marring, e-stops for emergency shutoff that meet OSHA requirements, fast 26 strokes per minute on full-length material, and auto-inch selectability. The EPS 1014E can shear 10 feet of 14-gauge mild steel and 18-gauge stainless steel. The upper and lower blades are made of high alloy hardened steel and have 2 edges each so the blades can be turned one time before sharpening. It is available in 220-volt or 440-volt 3-phase and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. This shear would make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and has sold hundreds of shears that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock